Does whiskey really taste better if the ice in your glass was hand-chipped from a rogue iceberg? It's a long way to go for a couple of cubes, fellas. Our founder, J.P. Weiser, knew that all you needed to enjoy whiskey is great whiskey. J.P. Weiser's tastes like whiskey since 1857.